Kulumbai, I'm going to unbox one mobile holder. So earlier I had ordered 3 variants, but it all got broken during off-roading and all. I was using the Royal Enfield Himalayan. So now, since I bought a Super Meteor 650, I ordered a new one, new mobile holder. So let's see how it is. Mobile holder सिगाङावबो आं अर्डार खालामबाय मोनथामा बायबाय आरो नैबे दा Super Meteor 650 आव होनो थाखाय मोनसे गोदान अर्डार खालामदों. So this is the phone holder, otoroys from Flipkart. So this is basically how it is. Yeah. User manual. And there is this thing. And you have all the screws, Allen key and screw basically. I don't get it. I have only one screw over here. Is it? Am I missing something? Oh, it's there. Yeah, I got another one. Yeah. Here, 2 screws. So let's see. I'll use it and I'll give you an update. Cheers.